Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these garlic butter pizza croissants, so let's get started with the video. Begin by cutting half a block of mozzarella cheese into thin slices. When you're finished, set your mozzarella slices to the side. Next, open a pack of croissant rolls. Then separate the croissant rolls. Next, take a croissant roll and place a slice of mozzarella cheese and 2 pepperonis on the wider end. Then roll it up. Repeat this process with the rest of your croissant rolls. When you're finished, place your pizza croissants on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Now we're going to make some garlic butter. In a small bowl, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. Then mix everything together until well combined. Once you have finished making the garlic butter, brush it on the pizza croissants. Next, place them in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the pizza croissants have finished baking in the oven, you can go ahead and enjoy. And this is the finished result. These garlic butter pizza croissants are so good. They're super easy to make and they make a really good snack or appetizer. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!